Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Asana to manage your work, you probably know how powerful it is for team collaboration. But what if you want to bring in someone from outside your company, like a client, freelancer, or partner, without giving them full access to everything? That's where guest invites come in. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to invite guests on Asana in 2025, step by step. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share the key things you need to know to avoid confusion and make your collaborations smooth. Main content first. Let's talk about why guest invites matter. Asana allows you to add people who aren't part of your internal team into a specific project. This is perfect for working with outside stakeholders because they only see the project you share with them, nothing else in your workspace. Now, here's how to do it. Step 1. Log into your Asana account on the website. Use your email and password as usual, and once you're in, you'll land on your homepage. Step 2. Select the project you want to share. Open it up, and at the top, you'll find the Share button. Step 3. Click Share and type in your guest's email address. Here's the important part. You need to choose their role. Roles determine what your guest can and can't do inside the project. Project admin gives full control. Editor lets them change tasks and project details. Commenter allows them to view tasks and leave comments. Viewer is strictly read-only access. Once you've assigned the right role, hit Invite, and they'll receive an email to join your project. There's also an alternative method. Instead of inviting directly, you can copy the project link and share it through email or chat. The guest's access will still depend on the role you assign. This is handy if you want to quickly send access without manually typing in addresses. Benefits and key takeaways. Inviting guests is a game changer because it expands your collaboration options. You can get client feedback, partner input, or freelancer contributions, all without giving away your entire workspace. Just remember to clearly explain the role you've given them so they understand their level of access. Outro, and that's it. Inviting guests in Asana is simple but incredibly powerful for managing external collaboration. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and check the description for extra resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.